What's good, everyone? I'm here with a trade recap for Monday, June 22nd, 2026. I'm doing a recap instead of a live trading session just because I had people over, so I didn't want to be speaking. So I still recorded my trade, but I wasn't speaking in the video, so I wanted to record a trade recap. And today was some bullshit. I got break even on this first trade. The second trade ended up being a break even. Brutally edged this fucking previous week high. And the thing that happened with this trade is that I got entered into a short when I pressed buy. I put a buy limit here. I should have just, market ordered it just because the close was right there. So I should have been in a market order. But for some reason, I decided to limit order it. But regardless, I have video proof that I put a buy limit of 2 micros right here on the CISD line. It hits it and enters me into a short for some reason. I didn't notice until it was all the way up here at whatever this price was around here, and ended up closing and then lost money on the day. And I am going to contact Apex to undo that because that's some bullshit. I'm going to show them the video proof that I have. I'm going to play it right here. And there's the proof. It, for some reason, it bought 2 and then sold 4. I have no idea why. I had no sell limits there. There was nothing there. So that was some bullshit. I realized only, I looked at my position and the position was red instead of blue. When it's blue is when it's a buy order. And then if it's red, it's a short. And yeah, so I'm gonna get right into it. Coming into the day, I was bullish for obvious reasons. Price was, well, we're trending towards all-time highs, disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish, and looked like we were going towards previous week high. However, I did see that we could have a short-term bearish bias play out just because all this LR is over here and the 6 a.m. candle wasn't manipulated yet. As you can see here, there was a devil's mark there, so I could see shorts playing out, and there was a short opportunity that I honestly was eyeing, and it was a good short. It ended up being a break even regardless, but I was eyeing it. However, I would have just preferred to wait for the long because I was very bullish on the day. The short is just that. It was manipulated higher, took out this, well, it didn't really hit anything higher time frame other than this hourly gap, and then got a 30-second inversion lower. Looked pretty clear because you got the overblock with it. Especially all this is here. Makes sense for the short to happen. You target this low over here, break even at the 15-minute, and then you get break even. But when that happened is when I ended up entering this trade right here, which was my idea in the first place. Now, I know that this 6 a.m. candle was unmanipulated, but every open is a new PO3. So 9:30 is now open. So yes, the 6 a.m. candle should manipulate, but I was just so bullish. I was so bullish, especially the reaction that this got. This draw was so obvious. I took it. And it ended up taking out the high, which is where I went break even, and then it came back down. At this point, I was still bullish. I was honestly just considering not touching anything until this 10 a.m. came, but the reaction that we got off of this 5-minute rejection block was so obvious. It came here, it wicked it perfectly, rejected it. I was about to just enter right here at this only 1-minute inverse, but I started rethinking it. I was like, okay, if this ended up losing, I would be a little bit mad. So I just waited for some more confirmation. It started to chop around here, and I was just about to fade this setup, and then it hit this 3-minute gap that formed here, right here, this little 3-minute gap, and I got an instant reaction off of this 3-minute gap, inversing this 1 minute and forming a CISD here, which is when I entered my long, and I went break even at this high and was trying to hold to here, except I was actually in a short because for some reason it entered me in a short. But this ended up not playing out anyways. I am going to journal it as a break even because that is just such bullshit. Like, that was not my fault at all. I literally had a buy limit there, and it enters me in a short. I'm going to get it disputed. Hopefully they give me my balance back because I should not be losing balance over something like that. And then the day ended up playing out bearish. That previous week high was never taken. It got edged by literally like, yeah. So I think we'll still take that out later this week. And yeah, that's it for the day. I think I played bias well, played the day pretty discretionally well. So I'm glad about that. And I'm going to be back tomorrow to hopefully redeem myself. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.